Hello, there are some good news today about Builderall, about Pixel Perfect. In fact, those are good news and bad news. Bad news only if you have already websites with Builderall and you have created already menus, big menus, because you will have to redo them. You don't have to, but if you want to benefit from the changes, the new menu system, you have to redo it. So take your time, before deleting the old one, and just recreate it with a new system. So I will read out the document in about the news. There are three main things, three big areas. Um, One is the menus, of course. One is the checkout. Checkout has been redesigned, and so the menu will be faster to display. Remember, with Builderall, the menus were displaying last after everything on the page. So since the menu are at the top of the page, it was not correct, huh? And it was one of the first things I noticed when I first learned about Builderall. I went to builderall.com and the wall page, okay, okay, it was nice looking, but it, it felt slow. And why? Because of the two-step process. First, it loads, and then it adjusts the size. Okay, but this is not the problem. The problem was that the menu appears at the end after several seconds. So it shows that something is going on, and then displays the menu. But the menu is the navigation, so it should appear first. And because it's at the top of the page, so when it appears last, it makes no sense. It should appear first, and then the content, and can take some time to load all the images. But at least we have the menu working, so we can go to the home page and click on the menu and go to another page before the whole page is loaded. We don't need the whole page to load in order to change page. Okay, so this point and many other things in the menu system, but this point has been improved. So now I haven't tested it because I need to redo my menus. So this takes some willpower to do it, and so I will do it. But from what I read and understood, this is addressed. So my menu will appear first. Yes, I know this is normal. It should have been like this since the start. So it's not really, oh, wonderful, because now it works like it should have worked since the very beginning. I know. But, we use a Builderall the way it is. And when there is an improvement like this, even if it should have been like this since the start, at least now, from now on, from, December 2018, now this won't be a shame anymore. It won't be a thing to talk about, the menus, because now they are normal. Voilà, okay, cool. So there are three things: the menus, the restricted areas, and checkouts. So restricted areas is to lock a layout in Pixel Perfect in order to create memberships areas, free or paid, and the process to create restricted areas was a bit complex. There are tutorials about it, but we needed to learn, and in order to do it, it was not complicated. Check out the same; it was not complicated, but we needed to learn it for sure. It was not. We could not do it by ourselves, just by using the tools. It was very confusing if we do it like this. We needed to understand the process and what separate things we needed. But now the restricted area and checkout, they are with they come like with a wizard. So it means everything is inside one box, and everything we needed, like in checkout, we needed to create offers and set up payment and things like this in order to create a checkout. And if we wanted to create several checkouts, then of course we will have already created a payment method and offers. So second time, third time, it was not as difficult as the first one. But now everything is included. If we need offers, we can create from the same app, in options. And same for restricted areas. So I will read out, it will be better. So what is new? Important. Restricted area and checkout were redesigned in order to improve usability and performance. So you might notice some changes like removed offer manager and restricted area settings options. In the shopping bag, there is no more offer manager because the offer manager is inside the app. And for restricted areas in the double gear is not here anymore. How do I restrict my layouts now? But just click on the lock icon and go through the steps. You click on the lock icons, of course, in your layout options. Like before, but before it was at some point you need to click. But now you have the wizard inside. So this is easier and should have been like this since the start, but it's good. How do I manage my offers now? Well, just right click into your current offers and select change offer. This option will open the new checkout manager. Look at this new checkout manager. So beautiful. We've made some redesign on our one-step checkouts too. Look at this. Redesign. One-step checkouts. Updates and fixes. Checkout coupons. There is now an option to create and manage coupons and apply them to your offers made on checkout. You may find your coupon manager here. Shopping bag. Create and manage coupons to your offers. You create a list of coupons with different discounts, percentage, and then basically you just need to create your lists and then attach coupons within. But how do I enable them to my offers? Simple. Right click into your offers and then select. Once you enable a coupon list within your offer, your visitor may now see the following field. Ta-da! Coupon apply. If they tap a valid coupon, they will get a discount. New menus. Menus were remade from scratch. They now will render faster and work way better. But sadly, there wasn't any way to migrate the current menus automatically. So please recreate your menus in order to get all the improvements. What if I do not recreate them? What happens then? You are good to go anyways. New menus works better and faster, but the old menus will still work. But all the new menu elements I added will come with the new engineering. And look at this. Now I have to try it, and especially for mobile. For the hamburger menu was crap. Not really crap, but for me it didn't work. So didn't work. I don't know what I did wrong, but Now they should work. Oh, wonderful! You know, all those comments I make now, I think of the past. In 2019, we will not have these issues, those issues. This will be past history. So, and the same build the wall is better. So when we promote it, there will not be any comment. Oh, the menus are crap, or they display last. No, finish. Postpone payment with Stripe. You know, there is no a way to postpone charges to your customers once they buy your product. For instance, you can say, okay, buy now and you will pay in 30 days. We will charge your card in 40 days. And this is possible only for Stripe payments, not PayPal or other payment methods. Several fixes on the e-commerce. Some issues regarding duplication, transfer, and payments are now fixed. Several fixes on the site builder fixed some bugs related to elements appearance and settings. So, I don't know about this, I don't know. But if it is the fact that some elements in a desktop view will not appear in mobile view. So we could not, and they were nowhere to be found. I don't know if they fixed those bugs or not, because I haven't even reported them. So boring, you know, to replicate how to replicate the bug. So, so what about those news? Okay, will this update affect my published website? No, but do I need to do something on my website after this update? Menu elements are totally remade. Please delete your current menus and redo them in order to take better performance and effects if you want. And I want. So I will do it in video. And that's it for the news. Some technical news, but they were talked about for at least a month or two. We knew that they were coming. There is another things coming, but not yet. It's a Canva. It's a, we will see what it is. But those changes are good, and that's it. Bye bye.